Alright guys, we're out here, we're looking at the old dump truck today, and we've decided we're going to do some modifications to it. We've got a big snowplow we're going to put on it, and we have a big diesel engine we want to put in it. It's got a V478 V8 gas motor in it. It needs a lot of work, and it's hard to find parts for. So we're considering doing an engine swap with a Cat straight six diesel engine, and then we're going to put a big V-plow on the front of it to clear roads during the winter time. And I think it's going to work out good. Everything's looking pretty good. It should match up. We just got to find a clutch plate, pressure plate. We should be good, but that's the truck, and right over here is the diesel engine. I can't give you the specs on this diesel engine because it's all been painted over and we don't know for sure what it is, but I think it's 300 and some horsepower. I have started it. It does run. It runs really well. It doesn't have any computerized stuff on it. It's older. We're gonna try to get the specs on it, and we'll see if we can get it up there for you. But this is what we're gonna put in that truck. Right over here, we'll walk over in a minute and we'll show you what the V-plow looks like we're gonna put on it. Basically, we have 4 miles of road down here we have to clear every winter. Use this truck to do it. So we're gonna kind of give you a rundown on it, show you what we're gonna be working on, and hopefully do the video step by step through as we build it. So I hope you enjoy it. What? You got a flat tire. William told you yesterday. It was flatter than it was yesterday.
11 minutes later.
That's the snowplow we're going to put on the front of the dump truck. It's a big V-plow. It cuts 8 feet at the bottom, and the wings on the side will push it 10 feet to the sides. I'm hoping we can make it work on there. I think the truck will push it. I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to put that Cat motor in there, give it a little bit extra torque. I think we're going to do pretty good with it. So it's not in bad shape. It's got a little bit of damage on this side. This side's pretty decent. The front's pretty decent. Probably gonna have to repack the hydraulic ram in it. Do a little bit of work on it. But that's gonna be our next project. We're gonna video the whole thing from start to finish, and I'm hoping to get it started soon because it's getting cold. We're gonna have a lot of snow soon, and we want to be able to move it. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. We would appreciate it, and we'll catch you down the road.